Sanitary Care Program cares for your skin by eliminating 99.9% of bacteria that persist even when clothes are dried in sunlight. Styler's sanitary cycle uses TrueSteam to maintain optimal temperature necessary to sanitize each garment. Protect your health by reducing dust mites, allergens, fine dust and dry cleaning chemicals. To start the program, first select program settings as per your requirement. Then press start button to start the program. Fabrics and clothes recommended for sanitary mode: suit, coat, school uniform, scarf, wool, knitwear, outdoor performance clothing, towels, underwear, t-shirts, socks, jeans jackets, lingerie, sportswear and tablecloths.